Leverage is loan provided to the investor by the broker and is expressed in the form of a ratio. Here are some levels of leverage provided by Britt depending on the client's knowledge and experience. But what do these ratios mean exactly? Let's look at some examples. Say a trader has a capital of 10,000 euros and is trading with 1 to 100 leverage. Since his leverage is 1 to 100, he has a trading capital of 1 million euros. If he decides to buy the euro-US dollar at 1.355 and closes his position at 1.31.55, he will almost double his capital. Here's another example of the same trader but with a different outcome. This time, the trader buys the euros dollar at 1.355, who closes his position at 1.305 and loses almost half his capital. So it's important to remember that leverage increases your trading capital, providing opportunities for multiply profits. But it can also multiply your losses too. So use leverage wisely.
Please like and subscribe.